Здравейте хора, играеме GTI 5 мисиите. Това ми е първото видео, което правя за мисиите. Впрочем, първото видео ми е и за мисии и след това ще почна да правя както и за мисиите, така и за онлайна. И така, сега ще направим една мисия в това видео. Аз още съм в началото. Все още съм в началото на играта и ще се постарая да видеото да стане добро. И така, само да отбележиме на картата на къде трябва да караме. Все още в началото минал съм, мисля, че доста малко мисии са. Впрочем, не знам като брой колко са. Повечето наблегнах на онлайна. В онлайна съм някъде около 41 левел, то 41 ранг, извинявам се. 41 ранг. GTI, значи преди около 10 дни го взех и от тогава играех повечето онлайн, за да мога да свикна с игра на PlayStation 4, за да мога да свикна с джойстика, защото все още не ми е много удобно с джойстик да играя, но вече горе-долу свикнах с джойстика. И сега мисля малко да наблегна на мисиите. Впрочем ще правя клипове както и на мисии, така и в онлайна. Зависи кога как имам време да играя, защото все пак с времето не съм много добре, със свободното време. Ей, тази кола направих на цялата кола стана леш. Още колко? Вече ако ударим, няма да ми е за пръв път. Така, тук вече трябва да е... Чакайте да не отнеса и портата. Вратата на гаража. Така, сега трябва да влезнем в къщата. Да влезем в къщата. И скъс замах затваря вратата. Къщата изглежда, че имам скандали вътре. Няма да гледаме трейлърчето.
Hey Jim, I'm going for a drink.
Dad, shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane. All right, I'm coming. For
Дай,
my
негро,
boat.
качвай се.
Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble. Hey, I'll help you
Между
out.
другото,
Lesson number one.
да, същата
Don't
е.
ever have kids.
В онлайна първата кола, която си купих, беше тази, същия цвят, червен. Беше доста смисъл.
Shit, things that
Видях, че
desperate.
по-ефтина 65 000 беше. И сега взех нея колкото се предвиждам там.
I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been
Така,
hijacked.
сега,
Somewhere on
това
the
мисля,
Western
че
Highway.
мисията дето е с...
About my boat?
един
Yeah, I am.
But you can
Get
always
it,
buy
bro.
another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Похвалил една
You can
яхта.
always get credit for one.
But have
Трябва
you
да
come
спасяваме.
repo it? No, thank you.
Alright, right, homie.
да
I ain't your
спасяваме
homie. I'm
нашия
someone you
човек.
want to impress.
Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail.
So I'ma help you get this boat back, right?
That you are, my friend.
Направо я смазахме колата.
Oh,
Да, ето го камиона.
there it is. That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Обаче
Yeah,
с
well,
това
we'll
каране,
catch 'em.
дето правя,
We got a plan.
трудно,
Sure. Once I get us up
трудно
close,
ще се справиме.
you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece in the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the
Чакай бе,
old way.
мъжаго. Чакай да
I
стигнем
can't
и
do this shit
камион.
from here. Get the boat.
Те изтресанете
Got a
по
tight
път.
grip? Good.
Ah, hey, shit. Fuck.
Please stop! Ah, this is gonna kill me. Oh, fuck!
Get your ass out of here.
Oh, did they fucking shot me?
Хвърли го бе.
Fuck!
Аз ще го бут... А, не можах да го бутна.
Or my boat. You know who you're
Колата
stealing
почна
from?
да пуши вече.
I just know you're trying to kill me.
Само да не...
Hey, shoot
Заде
this
багаж.
motherfucker. Hey, shoot this motherfucker in the face already. Jesus.
Стига го бе, дай малко газ за тази кола, не може
All
да
right,
набира
now look,
по-бързо.
my
бе.
son.
Намерихме то дебеля.
You're the guy from the dealership.
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out
О,
for the
Джими,
boom!
Джими!
Fuck! Hold on!
Help! Help! Help!
Pull up under so you can drop in the car.
Sit tight. I'll get under you.
Кой
I'll get
спадна?
under you as soon as I can.
А то кашоне ли хвърля бе?
Under me like right now!
Аре бе, дребен, дебел.
Slipping! This is it!
Скача бе, дебел.
What's wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dad me, you little shit. You better hope she's still
То
seaworthy.
ще го бутнем.
Shit. Shit. Ah, shit. Ah, too close. Ah, shit.
Сега негрото ли трябва да качиме?
I ain't jumping for here, man. Get
Аре,
All a fucking board?
значи колата
Let's
мога да
stop
издаде
this
багажа
ship
скоро
from
време.
sailing.
Can you, like, let me out of the car, like, now? Now that doesn't sound good.
То остана бе,
the
колата
engine,
не
man. We
издаде
ain't
багажа.
chasing shit in this thing.
Реално трябва да спирам никой. Да, повече от 5 км за кола. Да бе, как така направи там обратен завой бе? От тази страна няма. Да, рейс. Затворници. Искам да ги натоварим рейс. Айде бе, толкова ли няма коли бе? Да, всичко прави обратен завой горе. Ето една. Моята. Чакай бе, ти няма ли да правиш обратен завой? А, тръгна да правиш, виде ми тръгна да правиш обратен завой. Къде са тия играчите? Ай, мафиотчета, качвайте се. Добре, бе, трябва ли кола да взимаме? Тали барака трябва да си караме.
Don't you die on me yet. Ah, my fucking boat.
Да, защо
It's just a thing. At least you still
прехнал
got a
тук
son.
на главния път?
Hey, it's a chop shop back there, dog. You drivers there, we can get the ride fixed.
My boat.
It's just a thing.
My
Да
boat.
тя
Please
тази
stop
кола
doing
вече
that.
толкова пуши.
Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really
белия, какво се
bad
обяснява?
judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died, and all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
No, it's not that. It's
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
by selling my boat to some gangbangers.
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do
Hey,
is
no
daydream
tráfico,
or
man.
get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole.
Заобиколиме тия.
And right now,
Beh,
my
beh.
boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Franklin, would you do me a favor, give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great. Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No,
Караме.
Franklin, do me a favor, call me a taxi, will you?
no problem. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can
Карайте да
send one.
спирате на тези стопари, бе.
Los
Това
Santos
GTI не
Customs
е.
by the airport. All right,
Те си
thanks.
прави какво си иска.
Thank you.
Hey, so you do much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really. This little shit stays in his room all day, and I don't have many other people to go with, you know? I like looking at it.
Looking.
Айде бе,
Then
тази
I
кола,
come down to
брат,
the
че
marina, sit on the dock,
едва
pour
кара
myself a
вече.
drink, and look at her. Jacqueline. Did it
Аз
clear
не
my head,
ударам
you know,
много
let me
като...
dream.
Hey, this the place up here.
Може
I
и
know
да
this
ни...
dude, man. His name Hal. He gonna look after him.
All right, take what's in my pocket, a couple $1,000. That'll cover it, right? So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You gonna get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. I appreciate it. You stop back out to the house, we'll talk.
You see?
Show, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man, let's trick this whip, homie.
Те откарахме колата да ремонтират. Екзибит. Няма ли го тук да оправи колата?
Let's do it, bro. Mama wants a spoiler.
Къде му е спода? Дайте да вкараме да оправим малко тази кола.
Still need to get you out for one of the races, Franklin. See if you drive as fast as you talk.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
that's just
take your time,
totalmente
dog.
sure.
We want to do this right.
That'll do it.
All right, good as new. Toy Boy's gonna flock to my mama in this ride.
This is Army grade, limited edition.
Ти толкова. Вече е като нова. Сега трябва да откараме...
I'm gonna take you home now.
Вече се ядва.
Yeah, Franklin.
Вече е
Or the
доста
credit fraud
по-бърза.
guy. The home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah, no, I mean,
Доста
Jimmy, ain't
по-бърза.
it? Or James.
И доста по-добре
or
набира.
just like Jizzle.
No, man, I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
So, what's the deal, man?
Huh?
You and my old man? I see you at the dealership. And
Само да няма.
someone steals my whip, and Papa's all like,
Смачкам
he's been
докато
down there to
откарам.
talk to you guys.
Тък му
Your pops
направихме
did more than talk.
What'd he
и
do?
Look, man, if he
знам
ain't tell
какъв
you,
шофьор
I ain't
съм
gonna tell
тук
you.
в
But I lost my
GTI-а.
fucking job and I thought maybe
Може
you
и
could
да
help me find a new one.
Dude,
се
my
наложи
dad
пак
is
да я
retired.
правим скоро време.
Like, his only marketable skills are watching TV and daytime drinking.
Man, look, I don't know, homie. He seems okay to me. Shit, he saved your ass.
You
Оп,
saved
оп,
my
да,
ass.
добре, добре.
Nah,
Но тук
man.
добре се справяме.
Well, maybe we good
Не
together,
сме
you know?
още
Like,
драскали
maybe we
колата
can get
и...
shit done we couldn't do separately.
Защо трябваше да го казвам?
That's cool by me.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Look,
Еми,
I'm sorry my dad lost you your job. It's hard out
капака
there.
вече
Tough. I mean, I'm
Се
employmentally
надигнал.
challenged at the moment.
Oh, you got fired, dude. Damn,
значи
that's
вече мога да
rough.
си караме как си...
Not fired as such.
Както си
I
може.
didn't get a job.
I've been there, homie. You've been putting them resumes out there, but no one's hiring, huh?
What the fuck?
Това беше добро.
No, I didn't get a job. I've never had a job. It feels like hard work.
Хай карай бе, какво се чуеш?
Days just kind of disappear. Hey, you play Righteous
Тук
Slaughter?
е среден празнен.
Not since the first couple.
Okay.
Да настанеш те с кола.
Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Or we could just like shop it, you know? Play darts or get our drink on. Strip clubs. Come on, dude, I get real crazy.
Yeah, I got your number, shit. I need it, man. But hey, you know what?
Клиповете, които правя, това ще е първият клип. Ще ги качвам в VBOX 7 и в YouTube. Може да се абонирате за каналите ми. Това е за днес. Мисъл, това е от този клип. Очаквайте скоро време. Следващия клип имам ли свободно време, ще снимам и ще качвам в VBOX и в YouTube. Така че може да следите каналите ми и да се абонирате за тях. И това е. Чао от мен!